Aiken County, where despite having remnants of a tropical storm, many people seem to be doing what they do all the time. More now from Aiken County Bureau Chief Sean Cabbage-Stock.
This is maybe my third one since I've been here.
A tropical storm.
Night, dinner with a friend.
The remnants of Florence not stopping those in Aiken's shopping district like Vicki Glinsman.
You get wind and you get rain.
And that wind and rain is what you can expect tonight.
There could be scattered power outages.
And there are some outages, with SCE&G showing the largest number of outages in our area. Saturday evening, several areas started seeing ponding issues.
I feel like we're inland enough.
Officials asking if you encounter standing water, turn around and don't drown.
Public safety staged some barricades in place in intersections and portions of our city that are prone to flooding.
Aiken is known for not only its horses but its trees as well, especially the ones that line South Boundary Street. City officials making sure personnel is available should trees become an issue.
They have staff on call to address any incidences of downed trees blocking roadways.
Already taking care of storm drain.
Cleaned out a lot of our storm drains in advance of the storm to minimize flooding.
Shoppers not really concerned about any problems with the storm.
That they haven't really affected too much.
People like Vicki Glinsman thankful she's not on the coast.
Nothing like what you see on the shore on the coast.
So no cause for concern. In Aiken, South Carolina tonight, Sean Cabbage-Stock, WJBF News Channel 6.